know Jeffrey's been somebody's bitch for the past 3 weeks, right?
I know.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, CJ?
What's up?
What's up, man? Wanna go to prison?
What?
Nah, pick up Jeffrey. He's touching down today. You wanna roll?
Yeah, for sure. What Jeffrey doing locked up anyway?
We'll talk about that later, man. Let's roll. We're late.
Good to hang with you, brother. I'm sorry I can get a little tense.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, it ain't Jeffrey no more. It's OG Loc.
OG Loc.
Oh, yeah, he's a real gangster now.
I see. And what'd he do?
Anything he can get thrown in jail for his career, joyride, parking fines, or some other bullshit. Hey, there that fool go.
Look at this fool, man. Perpetrating like he banging.
Think he hard. Look at him.
Boy, I tell you.
I know that fool can't be serious.
Hey, what's happening with you, Jeffrey?
Hey, man, it's OG Loc, homie. OG Loc.
My bad. How was it, though, homie?
Man, what you think? How was it?
Hey, chill out, dude. So what you want to do now?
Man, I gotta kill some chola motherfucker. He was dissing me, man.
Hey, Jeff, I thought you was going to, college.
Man, fuck you. Motherfucker done stole my rhymes. He's in East Flores. Hey, give me a strap.
Man, why don't you stall us out with that shit to get in the car? Fool.
Get in the car.
You help me!
You been down, little homie. Ufa, you making me late.
What's your plan, big gangster? Now you a free man and all.
Man, I ain't free. If I parole officer line me up with a job.
Motherfucker always trying to keep a player down.
You got that right. Still, ain't so bad. I'ma be a hygiene technician.
Coming up in the world, huh?
Just a stepping stone to greatness.
You always crashing, CJ.
Man, this is the spot.
Ain't this Vagos hood?
Man, I don't give a shit. I'm gangster.
Come on, let's leave Loc to deal with Casanova.
Hey, I'll stick with Loc.
Okay, cool. I'll see you guys back on the set.
Get out of my face. Hey, we got this on lock. Freddy, I've come for you, you motherfucker.
Hey, Loc, hold up.
Jeffrey, you got the wrong idea, man. That was just a prison thing. I got plenty of muchachas on the outside. I don't need your scrawny ass.
Man, ignore him. CJ, I don't know what he talking about. Hey, yo, give me back my rhymes, you thief. I'm gangster.
You dropped the soap, sugar. I don't know nothing about any rhymes.
Hey, motherfuckers making a run for it.
Hey, Lo, get back here, nigga, you crazy.
Hey, yo, back off me, CJ. I gotta protect my rent.
Ooh, chase me, chase me.
Come on.
What?
Come on, honey, I'm losing my patience.
I gotta go. You want this, huh? Ooh. Better luck next time.
I thought you were king, coupon. Catch me if you can. Yoo-hoo, over here.
Oh my good God!
You know I love the thrill of a chase.
If Leo arrests me one more time,
Yeah, what you gonna do now, huh? Don't blame me, blame yourself.
Don't you say a damn thing, CJ.
Was you lonely, Lo? Hey, I like a nice mustache myself.
I keep it real, unlike you fake-ass motherfuckers.
Come on, gangster. Let's get back to the Grove.
Nah, I can't. I gotta go and sign in for this damn job.
Whatever you want. You wanna ride anyway?
Sure thing. Let's roll. Hey, take me to the burger shot in Marona Beach.
5 minutes.
You're the boss.
Cause I'm keen with the hygiene on a mission like a super technician, baby.
Get on with that shit, man. Look at you, all muscly and shit.
Man, I got 17s on a hang.
You could have did that out here.
Because I did it in the joint, it's real now.
Yeah, I guess it is, gangster.
What the hell are you doing? My car!
Get your stupid ass.
Thanks for the ride, CJ. Don't be a stranger, fool.
Yeah, for sure. I'll see you around.
Like a quarter pound. Later.